Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another Influenster VoxBox to share with you guys. This one is the Influenster and Venus and Native VoxBox. This is what the beautiful box looks like. It's a very large box, so it doesn't really fit on screen, but I love the designs that they put on this one. On the side it says hashtag Target Style, new beauty for you. Inside we find a little card with information about the products in the box. So let's take everything out of the box. They included 3 products in this box. The first one is this Native toothpaste. It's a detoxifying toothpaste, charcoal with mint. It's fluoride-free and it's 0.85 ounces. On the back we have the list of ingredients, directions on how to use it, and I really love this little detail, made with, and there's a little heart, made with love. That's really nice, and it's also made in the USA. I'm excited to try this toothpaste because I've tried their deodorants and they're so good and they're clean ingredients, so I'm looking forward to trying this one out and seeing how well it works for me. Let's open it and take a look inside. Right, so it has a seal, so let's remove that. I'm expecting it to be black. Oh! Okay, so yeah, it's a dark gray. Charcoal color, I guess. It's charcoal, so that's the color that it is, and it does smell minty. Oh, it smells really good. It's minty but not overpowering, so I'm excited to try this one out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, jennystone.21, to see all the updates on the products that I'm going to be reviewing. The next 2 products are from Gillette Venus, and this is a collaboration with Vera Bradley. I really love the designs that they did on these 2 products, both on the shave cream and also here. It looks like the razor also has it, so I'm excited to open it up and see what it looks like. And it's called Pure by Gillette Venus, Vera Bradley. The scent is honey flower and it's 6 fluid ounces. Formulated without dyes, parabens, and sodium lauryl sulfate. Pure is made with shea butter and helps your razor glide smoothly over your skin. Our specially designed formula will help protect against irritation during the shave. It has a list of all the ingredients and directions on how to use it. I'm going to be trying this out and sharing my experience on my Instagram, which is again at jennystone.21. I'll have it linked below. So let's look at the texture. It's hard to squeeze out, so it is thick. Oh wow, it smells amazing. And it has kind of like a pearl look to it. A pearlescent look. It's very thick, so you definitely don't need a lot when you're shaving. Look at that. It looks so creamy. And it smells so good. Wow. Okay, let me go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I washed it off and my skin feels really soft here in this area. And also the scent is really light and it's a sweet scent, but it's really nice. Now we're gonna open up the razor. I'm really excited for this one. It says Vera Bradley Comfort Glide Sugar Berry. It comes with 1 razor and 2 cartridges, gel bars. On the back it has the list of ingredients of the gel bars. And this one is sealed, so let's open it up. Wow, look how beautiful the packaging, the details that they added to it. Wow, look at that. It does have the beautiful design here at the base of the razor. This is really nice, and it feels pretty heavy too. It also says Vera Bradley Venus here. Let's open this up. See the cartridges. Okay, so they're both individually packaged. That's really good. And let's open this one up. Oh wow, I can smell it already. It smells really nice. Wow, I love this scent. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. So now we're just gonna clip it into place. And it's ready to be used. I love this little rubber grip that it has here. I've actually tried the Gillette Venus razors before and I love that they have this. It makes shaving so much easier and it's really smooth and leaves my skin really soft. But this scent is new to me, so it smells really good. I'm excited to try it out. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Influenster VoxBox. Thank you to Influenster for sending me these products to review and share with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at jennystone.21 to see reviews of all of these products. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet by clicking the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching, leave a thumbs up and let me know.